Hey everyone, it's Marcus here. Today, I'm super excited to introduce you to something that's truly groundbreaking in the world of mini PCs. Meet the Aoostar G Flip Mini PC, a game changer that's going to redefine how you think about compact computing. So let's dive in. First off, let's talk about the most eye-catching feature, the integrated 5.5-inch foldable Full HD display. Yeah, you heard that right. This isn't just a mini PC, it's also a portable screen that you can take anywhere. Imagine having all the power you need right at your fingertips, whether you're at a cafe, on a plane, or just chilling at home. This foldable display is a game changer for on-the-go productivity and convenience. Now, under the hood, this little beast is powered by the AMD Ryzen AI 9HX 370 processor and Radeon 890M graphics. This means you're getting top-notch performance for everything from gaming to video editing, and if you need even more power, the G Flip supports Aoostar eGPU, so you can scale up to extreme performance levels. That's flexibility and power in a compact form. Connectivity, Aoostar has got you covered. The G Flip boasts high-speed USB 4, Ethernet, and the latest Wi-Fi 7. Whether you're transferring large files or streaming high-quality video, you'll experience lightning-fast speeds. And for those who love to tinker, you'll be happy to know it's highly upgradable. We're talking M2 SSD and RAM slots, so you can customize it to your heart's content. Let's not forget about cooling. The G Flip features a vapor chamber cooling system, ensuring that it stays cool even under heavy loads. No more thermal throttling or overheating issues. You can push this machine to its limits and it will keep up with you effortlessly. So, who is this mini PC for? It's perfect for creative professionals who need a powerful, yet portable device for content creation, gamers who want a compact system that doesn't compromise on performance, and business users who need a reliable workstation for presentations and data analysis. In terms of market positioning, the G Flip is up against some tough competitors like B-Link and Minisforum. But with its unique features and innovative design, Aoostar is making a bold statement. The integrated display, high-performance hardware, and eGPU support set it apart from the rest, making it a compelling option for anyone looking for a versatile mini PC. Now, pricing details are still under wraps, but given the premium features, we can expect it to be on the higher end. But trust me, the G Flip's unique combination of portability, power, and upgradability makes it worth every penny. Aoostar is definitely pushing the boundaries of what a mini PC can be with the G Flip. It's a device that's not just about shrinking your desktop but also offering unmatched flexibility and performance in a compact package. So, there you have it. The future of compact computing, unfolded. The Aoostar G Flip Mini PC is here to change the game. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon to stay updated with more tech content. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.